recipe that I've got off a wonderful French recipe book. It's called Les Cakes de Sophie, and the author has written many wonderful recipe books, and I'm very happy to share with you this recipe that I've tried quite a few times and I find it quite unique. According to the author, this is a great bread loaf to make for autumn, but I think this is great for all year round. Let me show you the ingredients now. I have ham, cheddar, milk, eggs, mustard, sunflower oil, beer, all-purpose flour, grated gruyère cheese.
First, some marination is required. I take the ham and mix it with the cheddar cheese. You will see that this cheddar cheese will add a lot of flavor to the cooked bread loaf. Add in some mustard. Measure the amount of beer. Not too much is required, just 50 ml or about 6 tablespoons. You can add in a little more if you wish, maybe up to 80 ml to get a stronger beer flavor. I add in salt and pepper and let the mixture rest for 30 minutes. Do switch on your oven now to 180 degrees centigrade. Crack the 3 eggs into a big bowl and whisk it well. Slowly mix in the flour. Now, there's a lot of whisking in this recipe, so a great way to get some exercise. You have a gym set up in the kitchen itself. Once the flour and eggs are whisked well, slowly add in the sunflower oil and whisk in until the batter looks like a smooth paste.
Sans faire de bruit tout droit, sans bouger, tu peux regarder quelques minutes.
Add in the marinated ham, cheese and beer mix into the batter. And mix everything well. Pour this mix into a bread mold. As you can see, I have already prepared a bread mold by buttering the interior and covering with flour. This will prevent the bread from sticking at the sides. You can use a baking paper to cover the mold instead if you wish.
My beer and ham bread loaf is ready to go into the oven now at 180 degrees centigrade at 45 minutes. I'm going to put her in now. I have just taken the bread loaf out from the oven. It's finished cooking and I'm very happy with the way how it looks and smells. I'm going to wait for it to cool down now before I unmold it. So you can have a look yourself. I have sliced it up and it looks very nice, and this is how it looks inside. I have made some homemade mayonnaise and I'm going to try the bread now. It's one of those recipes where there is a lot of flavors, but it is subtle at the same time. This bread loaf can be served as an appetizer just the way it is, along with some mayonnaise, or it can also be served as lunch. So as you can see, for lunch I have added some salad and it can go with some meat as well. One for the cameraman. Is it good? Thumbs up, it means good.